John, double seat.
Double seat, yeah. Twitter is a very responsible medium and a very powerful medium, and I probably don't know at this point of time whether I could justify the use of Twitter. So that's the only reason why I haven't got on. Maybe the day I feel that I could use Twitter rightly, I would get on. I don't think... I think it's a very hypothetical question. In my case, both need to coexist.
Okay.
It's
But
like
if you
asking
could
me whether I want to eat food or drink water. But I think I need to do both.
Yeah.
Well, for one, I think you need to wear a helmet. And you need to strap your helmet well. You need to have a well-fitted helmet.
Okay. You
need to ride at slow speeds. Because India, in general, is not a place where you can speed. We don't have great infrastructure because we've got we've got corrupt governance.
Right.
So we just need to be sure that we get great roads before we can ride fast.
Okay.
And if you go slow and you wear a helmet, I assume then the only way you could have an accident, unfortunately, is because of someone else's bad judgment.
Okay.
So that's something that can't be avoided. But if we all drive responsibly or ride responsibly, we all just great food, great exercise routine, and great sleep. Well, don't think about the kind of food you're eating and worry about putting on weight, because what happens is you let out enzymes that actually make you put on weight. I don't know whether you realize this. When you don't really think about what you're eating, it really doesn't affect you as much as when you think about eating that kind of food. So. But eat the right kind of food, eat responsibly, make it a part of your lifestyle. There are no cheat days, so you can't cheat.
Okay.
There's no Sunday off where you can binge. There should be very few drink days, probably twice a year.
Okay.
So we're willing to do that. I don't know. Well, I just ask people to do the right form of exercises rather than lift weights unnecessarily. And workouts is not necessarily about going to a gym. It's about either playing a sport, or even walking or jogging or riding a bicycle, but just lead a healthy lifestyle. And that's the way I look at workouts. You don't need to have a buffed up body to say that, hey guys, I go to the gym. So we do it as actors for certain roles in films. And it's different. It's a visual medium. But for someone who just wants to be fit, just have a healthy lifestyle. But if I was in a relationship, they could even impress me. Well, I just think everybody, girls, guys, I mean, if I'm talking about guys trying to impress women as well, I think you just need to be very simple and just be yourself. You know, just don't try and put on or try too hard. I would say don't try too hard. Just be simple, and I think nothing works like simplicity, because looks is something that's transitionary. It's there. It's gone tomorrow. No one's going to remember John Abraham's body 10 years, 15 years down the line. But it's a person that stays on. So just have a great personality, have good character, and have great integrity, and just be a very simple human being. That's it. Hey, this is John Abraham, and you're watching me on MissMalini.com. Well, Power One makes me lead a healthy lifestyle. If you're mistaken, Power One is no tablet. It's Castrol Power One oil. Fair enough. And I use Castrol Power One in my motorcycle. And I guess anybody who wants to have that great acceleration, come on, bikers, say something.